Well, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to split screen two different applications at the same time on your Android phone. So just swipe down from the top, go to settings right here, and go to search and type in 3 button navigation, and just turn this on. So you probably have gestures. Go to 3 button, and you can see the switcher button down here now. Tap the switcher button, and then go to the application you want to share or split screen. So tap the down arrow, go to split screen, and then tap your second app you want to do this. And you can see I have 2 different applications open up at the same time. And you can get out of here. I can press the back button and go to continue. Otherwise you can hit the switcher button, go to the down arrow, and then you can clear it out, I believe. And you can just close the app. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.